Have you heard of the Pi network? It's a digital currency project that's quietly become a global movement. Millions of pioneers worldwide are earning Pi coins simply by tapping a button on their smartphones each day. The goal? Make cryptocurrency accessible to everyone. No expensive computers or technical know-how required. Pi's user-friendly approach has fueled its rapid growth, creating a massive, engaged community. Unlike Bitcoin, Pi was designed for ordinary people, using a system that doesn't drain your phone's battery or data. The project's heart is its community. Pioneers invite friends and family, strengthening the network and its security. This collective effort has built a dedicated following, all waiting for Pi to become a usable, valuable currency. Now, in February 2026, Pi network stands at a turning point. The project is moving from its test phase to the real deal, the mainnet. For millions who've tapped daily, this is the moment they've been waiting for. But this transition isn't automatic. It requires action from every pioneer. A critical deadline is approaching, and missing it could mean losing your hard-earned Pi. The next steps will determine who stays connected as Pi enters its most important phase yet. Are you ready for what's next? Let's break down what you need to know. So, what's the mainnet? Imagine it as the grand opening of a new digital city. Until now, Pi has been in a testnet phase, a safe space for testing, not real-world transactions. Mainnet is where Pi becomes real, live transactions, real value, and true utility. But why upgrade so soon? Technology evolves fast. Blockchains need regular updates to stay secure and efficient. The Pi core team is constantly improving the network, making it stronger and ready for millions of users. This upgrade is like reinforcing the city's foundations before a population boom. It boosts security, speeds up transactions, and prepares Pi for future innovations. Without upgrades, the network could slow down or become vulnerable. These improvements are essential for building a robust ecosystem where new apps and services can thrive. The goal: a secure, scalable platform ready for global adoption. Every upgrade lays the groundwork for Pi's future. That's why this mainnet upgrade matters for every pioneer. Let's see what's at stake. The Pi network is in the midst of a crucial upgrade with a firm deadline, March 1st, 2026. All node operators must upgrade their software to version 19.9 before this date, no exceptions. This isn't just a routine update, it's a mandatory step to stay part of the active mainnet. If you miss it, you're left behind as the network moves forward. Synchronization is key. Every node must run compatible software to keep the blockchain secure and stable. Even if you don't run a node, this upgrade protects the value and security of your Pi. The March 1 deadline is a collective call to action for the entire community. The network's future depends on everyone moving forward together. Don't let this moment pass you by. The upgrade process is a series of carefully planned steps, not a single leap. It started with the upgrade to version 19.6 by February 15, 2026. Now the urgent task is moving to version 19.9 before March 1. Miss a step and you're out of sync. Future upgrades won't be possible. After March 1st, the next milestone is version 20.2 by March 12. The ultimate goal: reach Stellar Protocol version 23 by June 2026, unlocking advanced features. Each upgrade builds on the last, ensuring a smooth, stable evolution. Skipping steps isn't an option. Everyone must keep pace. This disciplined process keeps the network secure and predictable. Stay on track, and you'll help Pi reach its full potential. Miss the March 1 upgrade, and your node is automatically disconnected from the mainnet. It can't validate transactions, earn rewards, or contribute to network security. Your node becomes obsolete, no catching up later. This isn't punishment, it's how blockchains protect themselves. Outdated nodes can't communicate with the upgraded network, so they're excluded to maintain integrity. If too many operators miss the upgrade, the network's decentralization and security suffer. Every pioneer benefits when node operators act on time. Upgrading is essential to safeguard the value and future of Pi. The upgrade isn't just about avoiding problems, it's about unlocking major benefits. Version 19.9 brings stronger security, blocking invalid or malicious transactions. Transaction speeds get a big boost, making Pi ready for real-world use. Improved software stability means fewer crashes and smoother operation for node operators. Better synchronization keeps the network reliable for all 16 million users. These changes lay the foundation for new apps, services, and innovations on Pi. Developers can build with confidence, knowing the network is secure and scalable. This upgrade is a leap toward Pi's vision of everyday utility. By upgrading, you're helping create a brighter, more useful future for Pi. The next era of Pi starts now. What should you do right now? If you run a node, upgrade your software from the official site. Don't wait until the last minute. Follow the core team's instructions carefully to avoid errors. For all pioneers, complete your KYC verification to migrate your Pi to Mainnet. If you haven't been invited for KYC, keep checking the app and be patient. Keep your node online and synchronized during and after the upgrade. A stable connection is vital for network health. After upgrading, confirm your node is running smoothly. Stay informed. Follow only official Pi network channels for updates. Avoid misinformation by relying on trusted sources. Taking these steps ensures you're ready for Pi's next chapter. The Mainnet upgrade is exciting, but many pioneers have faced frustrations, especially with long waits and KYC delays. Some have waited months or years for verification, slowing their progress. These bottlenecks have led to skepticism and calls for more transparency. The core team is working on solutions, but the community's patience is being tested. Despite challenges, most pioneers remain hopeful and engaged. They see the upgrade as proof of progress, even if it's slower than hoped. Open discussion and feedback show a passionate, invested community. Acknowledging concerns is key to building trust as Pi moves forward. This is a defining moment for the Pi network and for you. Node operators, upgrade to version 19.9 before March 1. It's non-negotiable. Every pioneer, check your KYC and Mainnet checklist in the app. Share this information with your team and friends. Help everyone stay informed. This upgrade is more than technical. It's a symbol of progress and community strength. By acting now, you're helping build a secure, efficient, and valuable network. Your daily taps and patience are turning into real contributions. Don't wait. Open your Pi app, check notifications, and start the upgrade if you run a node. Stay connected to official channels for the latest news. The next chapter of Pi is about to be written. With your help, let's complete these steps together and move Pi forward. The future is in your hands. Act now.